Welcome back to the Ghana Revenue Authority's ITAS tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to update a company taxpayer profile. This process applies to companies and other organizations, including limited liability companies, partnerships, trusts, cooperatives, and other registered entities. The profile update is a one-time process. It must be completed after account activation before full access to e-services is provided. Before you begin, make sure you have your company registration documents and other supporting documents ready. Let's get started. After activating your account and logging into the ITAS e-services portal for the first time, you will see a message asking you to update your profile. Click OK to continue. This opens the company profile update page. You will notice that the form is organized into different tabs across the top of the page. You will need to go through each relevant tab before submitting the update. You will also see an interim save button on some pages. Use this button regularly to save your progress as you complete the form. Step 2. Basic details. This section contains your company's main registration, address, postal, contact, website, and social media information. Some details may already be filled in from GRA's records, such as your TIN, company name, tax office, and taxpayer registration date. Review the information carefully and update any required fields. Next, complete the business address section. Here, you can add the company's registered address, principal place of business, and branch addresses, where applicable. Enter the address details requested on the form, including the location, region, district, GPS, or digital address, and tenancy status. Click Add to save each address to the list. Continue by completing the postal address and contact details. Make sure the company's primary mobile number and email address are correct, because these may be used for notifications and verification codes. You may also add the company website and social media handles if available. When you are done, click Interim Save, then click Next. Step 3. Tax Type Details. The Tax Type Details tab shows the tax types and levies currently registered to the company. Review the list to confirm that the tax types shown are correct. This section is mainly for review, so once you are done, click Next. Step 4. Business Name Details. The Business Name Details tab is where you add any subsidiary or corporate business names registered by the company with the Office of the Registrar of Companies. Enter the business name registration number, business name, and effective date of registration. Click Add to save the record. Step 5. ISIC Details. Next is the ISIC Details tab. This section is used to classify the company's business activities. Enter a brief description of what the company does. Then select the appropriate type, section, division, group, and class. If you are adding more than one business activity, make sure only one is marked as the primary activity. Any others should be added as secondary activities. Click Add to save each activity. When all relevant activities have been added, click Next. Step 6. Associated Business Details. The Associated Business Details tab is where you provide information on businesses connected to your company, such as subsidiaries or other associated entities. If applicable, enter the associated business's TIN or Ghana card number, business registration number, and association type. Click Add to save the record. If there are no associated businesses to declare, you can leave this section blank and proceed. Step 7. Stakeholders Details. The Stakeholders Details tab is where you add the company's key stakeholders. This may include shareholders, directors, partners, subscribers, or other relevant stakeholder types, depending on the organization. For each stakeholder, enter the required identification details and select the stakeholder type. Click Add to save each stakeholder to the list. Repeat the process until all relevant stakeholders have been added. When you are done, click Next. Step 8. Beneficial Owners Details. The Beneficial Owners Details tab captures information about the people or entities that ultimately own or control the company. Start by selecting the beneficial owner type. This could be a natural person, a government-owned enterprise, or a public limited company. The fields you see will depend on the type you select. After completing the required fields, click Add. Repeat the process for each beneficial owner. Once all beneficial owners have been added, click Next. Step 9. Attachments. The Attachments tab is where you upload the supporting documents required for verification. The documents required will depend on the type of organization. For example, a private limited company may need to upload its incorporation certificate, Form 3, and beneficial owner profile. A partnership may need its partnership certificate, Form B, and partnership deed. Enter the document name, click Choose File, and select the document from your device. If you need to upload more than one document, click Add More Document and repeat the process. Once all required documents have been uploaded, click Submit. If all required information has been entered correctly, the system will display a success message. Click Go to Dashboard to return to your portal dashboard. That is how to update a company taxpayer profile on the ITAS e-services portal. Thank you for watching.